You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this city in France, the French capital city of the French department of Indre. If you want to learn more names of famous places in France and more French vocabulary, stay tuned. French pronunciation, the way it's pronounced in France. Chateauroux. Chateau meaning castle, roux meaning red-ish. Roux. Chateauroux. English pronunciation, how you can easily say it in English. It still has a silent X. English pronunciation, Chateauroux. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.